Guys, AmazingCuber19 here, and in this video, I'm going to be comparing the Yuxin Little Magic 2x2 and the Meilong 2x2. These cubes are both budget options, but they're also quite good. So I would say they're the two best 2x2s for under $5. So I believe the Yuxin Little Magic is $5 and the Meilong is $4. So the Meilong has the advantage going in with price, but with value, I would say it would be the Yuxin Little Magic 2x2, because I would say this is a much better cube than the Meilong, and it's easily worth $1 to get this much better than the Meilong. I mean, but that also does depend on who you are, because if you like slower cubes and you can't handle a very fast cube, then this one might be good for you, because it's not very fast. But if you need a lot of speed as a beginner, then this one is a very good option. So this one is very smooth and extremely fast. And these are both out of the box, by the way. And I think that it's smoother because, can you see those ridges? Those make it smooth. There, yeah, you can see it now. So those make it really smooth, those ridges. And the Meilong does not have those. They are just straight plastic. There's no grooves or anything. So the Meilong is smoother and faster. I mean, the Yuxin Little Magic is smoother and faster. And the Meilong, it's also quite smooth, but not as smooth as the Yuxin Little Magic. And, but it's slower. So, if you like slow 2x2s as a beginner, then, yeah, this would be a good option for you. But here is where the Meilong triumphs. So, this can't corner cut over 45 degrees. While the Meilong, it can corner cut way further than 45 degrees. It can cut from almost anywhere except this one little point, which I can't seem to find right now. But the Meilong has much better corner cutting. It can go like 65 degrees. That's insane. And also, the corner twisting on this one is super easy to corner twist. I have them happen all the time on this one. But I've never had a corner twist because they're very hard. You have to pull really hard to get it. And a piece just popped out. So give me a second to fix that. Okay, so after you lubing the Yuxin Little Magic with Traxxas 50K to slow it down, and the Meilong with D&M 37 to speed it up, they didn't change much. The Meilong just got way faster, which it was supposed to do, so that's good. It's pretty fast now. And the Yuxin Little Magic didn't really change at all. It just has a different sound. A very, very slightly different sound. It really didn't slow it down at all. So, and it made it a bit smoother, so I guess it wasn't totally useless, but yeah, it didn't have the intended effect. So, so that's how they are after setting up and breaking in. So, but which one should you buy? If you like slower 2x2s, or you can't control a fast 2x2, get the Meilong. And don't lube it because, I mean, tension it, but you could loosen it up a little bit. But don't lube it because it's already very slow out of the box and pretty smooth, but with break-in, it'll become even smoother. And you should buy the Yuxin Little Magic if you're most people, and just like a very fast and smooth 2x2. So, yeah, I would say, but here's the thing though. if you really want to save money and you would rather spend $4 instead of $5, no matter what, which is probably almost none of you, if you already have the resources to speed it up, so like if you have a really fast lube, then you can get the Meilong and you can just save $1 because they're almost identical in speed and smoothness after lubing. So I would say if you have the resources, you could get the Meilong if you just want to save an extra $1. But most people go with the Yuxin Little Magic. I think it's better. Yeah, I say that it's the best 2x2 for under $5. So, yeah, that is my opinion on which 2x2 you should buy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.